has begun as we begin the last official week of July. It is July 21st, 2025. CN Hayes here. It is 13:51 as I am coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals Barron Summit at milepost 128.8 with another video lined up for you. ETSF railfan must be in downtown Ladysmith and is what looks to be a power move departure coming on here, and we'll also have the return of what I believe is my third of 49 SD75IACC rebuilds on the lane. It's the return of the 8307, previously SD75I5742. She's going to be doing a power move departure here, unless I have something in tow there. But we're going to check them out on the roll-by, and I'm sure she's going to be on the 773 today, because I know I've last seen her as rear DPU on a 775 a few months back. Now here it is again to do the honors on the 773. See who's also going to ride along with. I'm not sure if there's another unit to make it a 2x1, but I don't know if it's going to be assigned for a 1x1 later on. So here is the 8307, the Progress Rail EMD rebuilt SD75IACC, previously the GMD SD75I of the 5742. Check them out on the roll-by now as we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. She's running long hood forward. Feeling this is today's S772, 81 of the 21st. It came down from Pokegama. So no other locomotive is along for the ride, huh? That's unusual. I can settle with it, no doubt. Since this was staged up in Pokegama, this will go inbound to Source Energy Services of Warehouser. They will have authority on the Barron main from milepost 126 to milepost 110. Starting to slowly accelerate now. Where's the last of it now? WSOX 488, I think that was, but I don't know if that's the accurate one. But I'm sure I'll update that in the description below for you. But not bad at all. So that's going to do it for today's S77281 of the 21st, and we'll do for the solo SD75IACC of the 8307 that was previously SD75I5742, as that will head inbound to Source Energy Services, a warehouser. And that's going to do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin, to continue kicking off the last official week of July. You all have a great afternoon, have a great day, have a great week. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. Happy rail fanning, and God bless, my friends. See ya and haze out.